This is Mario from duallywheels4u.com. I just want to show you guys, I just finished shaving this tire, and as you can see that the tire now is true, and you can see in some sections you can still see the factory painting on the tire, and some other sections that's when the machine actually shaved the tire. So we do not shave the whole tire, or we don't take a lot of rubber of the tire. Basically, it's just the excess of rubber from the manufacturing, and the whole tire, pretty much the factory tread depth is remain the same. You can see some sections there. Here it's been shaved here, and then you can see the factory painting here. When I put that tire on the road force balancer, that's 22,000 of an inch. Let's try it now and see how much it will lower the run out of the tire. Okay, let's see now. That right there is the road force. It's going to apply pressure to the tire to check the tire run out in a second. Let's see. Look at the difference now. From 22,000 of an inch, now it's down to 6,000 of an inch, almost zero. So the tire is round and it will not create any vibration problems. And the tread depth remains same as stock.